Now to a live look from the mobile weather lab, and you see the windshield wipers are on, and you can make out some raindrops on the windshield here. This is I-80 West near Joliet. A lot of us will see rain this evening, so let's get the details from meteorologist Kylee Miller tracking it in the First Alert Weather Sphere. And Kylee, that damage in Oklahoma, that was the tail end of the system, right, that's now moved into our area.
Right, exactly. So this is a big weather maker that we are continuing to monitor. So the brunt of the activity is going to be to the south of us, but still for I-80 and areas south, we're under a level 1 out of 5 on the risk scale. That's a marginal risk issued by the Storm Prediction Center. The main concerns that we do have with this storm setup is going to be gusty winds for us, and we can't rule out having some flooding either. So we're going to continue to monitor that here very closely all the way through midnight tonight, because that is going to be the time frame from now until we hit midnight. So as you can see, this is a large complex storm system that is making its way through Chicago, starting to fill in every location. So it's very light right now, but as we get going from about 6 until 10, that is going to be the window for the greatest potential for some strong gusty winds, as well as those heavy downpours, and yes, a few thunderstorms in the mix as well. So anywhere from Rockford back into Woodstock all the way down to Schaumburg, dealing with some of those heavy downpours, and it looks like in Woodstock we do have a thunderstorm being reported there. Ottawa, some yellows popping up on radar, that's indication of those heavy downpours. Pretty light but steady from Chicago down towards Porter County and Indiana. So notice the temperatures. It is very mild. Temperatures are in the 50s, and we're still going to be climbing this evening into the upper 50s, and some of us could actually touch 60 degrees. The winds are also going to be howling with gusts upwards of about 35, perhaps even 40 miles per hour. As we look ahead through the evening commute home, 7:45 here on Futurecast is pinpointing out some heavy rounds of thunderstorm development. Again, some of those storms could pack a punch going strong to severe, and it's going to be tapering off from the west and eventually to the east. But I think by the time we hit about midnight tonight, the rain is going to be gone, but it's still going to be very windy as we look ahead to tomorrow morning. How much rain are we in for? Anywhere from about a half an inch to an inch. Could see locally up to 2 inches, especially from Gary back towards the Kankakee River Valley. The winds are going to be gusting tonight through early tomorrow morning, anywhere from about 35, 40, maybe even 45 miles per hour. So that could give us toppled trees, power lines. We will have to watch out for that. As we look at the weekend forecast, some snow is on the way for our Saturday. We could see anywhere from about 1 to 2 inch snowfall accumulations. It's going to start as rain, changing over to some snowfall, and then by Sunday, improvements, but it's going to be all about that cleanup. Again, the highest snowfall totals are going to be north of the city of Chicago, where we could see about 1 to 2 inches there. Elsewhere, about an inch or less. Temperatures are going to be falling throughout the day tomorrow, plus it's going to be windy too. By the time we hit the weekend, we're in the 30s for highs, back into the 40s though Monday and Tuesday, and then 30s do return as we look ahead to Wednesday and Thursday. Marie, back to you.
Busy week, Kylee. A lot going on. Thank you.